Hello everyone, this is Luna the Moon Tarot. So today we'll be doing the unboxing of Tarot Illuminati by Erik C Dunne. So I've ordered this one. There's another one available which has a big box with a big booklet. So this is a smaller one. I don't like the big box because it becomes difficult for me to store the tarot cards, that particular box, and I have very less space as I have many tarot cards. So without wasting time, let's start with the unboxing here. So I have ordered this one from Amazon, and it pretty much came today itself. I mean, I ordered in the morning, early morning, and somehow I think it was in the stock. Probably that's why it got delivered today itself. So this is how the box looks like. It's a little, the edges are like a little tampered. The box says Tarot Illuminati, Erik C Dunne, and yeah, that's it. That's about it. The light within and some other language. I think it's French or Italian, something like that. Right, so I loved the the flipped the cards when I saw it on Amazon, and somehow I was kind of drawn to it immediately. So let's see, and let me just fix the camera here, the angle. I hope it's good. So that's how it looks. Comes with the packaging here as well, the transparent one. Let me just quickly tear it off. Okay. All right, so this is the mini booklet and a thank you card. And this is the booklet that you get. It's normal booklet, black and white, like the one which comes with Rider-Waite, a traditional tarot. So yeah, the booklet is in French, and I think it's it's not in English. I mean, in the beginning, this is English, but then later on, I don't know where it goes. Okay, not to worry. That's okay. Then again, there's one tarot card here. That's I ordered it because of the back cover and these black borders here. Did you see that? I love them. Totally love them. So let's just go ahead and do the flip through quickly so that a quick one, and I'll keep on showing it to you. And let me just quickly adjust the camera so that you are able to see in a proper light. And I guess this is fine. I hope this is fine, right? Yep. Okay. So starting with the full card here, the card stock is not very thin, not very thick. It's just fine. I mean, if you're looking for a thicker one, then this is not the one. But I like these ones because it's easy to shuffle, unlike the ones like if you have Martin Witch Alchemist. There's a lot of artwork. Actually, it's a little loud. It's a little too crowdy, right? And it's a little too busy, I would say, artwork. But then I kind of liked it because I have many other decks which is like kind of different. This one is going to be a different one with too much of maturity and too much busy artwork. So you know, I love reading from different, and this is the card that attracted me the most, actually. This is the Wheel, Justice. Look at the Hangman. I like it. Death. The Devil. That's just something happened to the light. Tower. Star card. I like this. The Moon. Sun. Judgment. The World. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. I like it. I'm just quickly going through it. Don't want this video to be like really long. You know, I like this back. I love this back. If you just look at the back carefully, I like this. I kind of like this. Totally like this. And the golden borders as well. You know, I have done gilding in black borders in one of my deck. I'm gonna do gilding in this one too. So just take a Sharpie, a black Sharpie, and just do it. And they look really nice after gilding, trust me. Just with a black Sharpie, just do it. Go ahead with it and just do it. They look really, really nice. I like the King of Cups as well. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. I like it. Just look at this. Even if it's busy, I can still do it with this. See, at the end of the day, yeah, I know there's not much. Let's see. I mean, I haven't done the reading from this one yet. I really want to see how it speaks to me while reading. So let's see how it goes. I don't want to comment right now, but then I like the artwork. Even if it's busy, it's loud. I somehow like it. I have too many cards, tarot decks already, which are like on a subtle note, but then this one will stand out definitely. Undoubtedly it will. Sorry that I'm just going through it without giving it much time. No, it's 10 of Wands. I like this. Three of Swords. I like this. I like this card. It's very mature actually. It's very mature. It may be too busy, but they are also very mature. Loved it. Princess of Swords. Prince of Swords. Queen, and the King of Swords. So, you know, this is Page of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, and the King of Swords. That's how they have named it, the Page, Knight, and the King and Queen. I like it somehow. Let's see how they shuffle. Again, the cardstock is, they are not very big, they are not very bulky. The cardstock is just okayish. I mean, more than okayish actually. Yeah, shuffles perfectly fine. Shuffles perfectly fine, guys. So they are not very thin, they are not very thick, just the way it should be. Actually, I don't like the thick ones. It becomes very you know, difficult to shuffle for me, and my hands are also very tiny, not that big, so it becomes a problem for me while shuffling and handling those thick cardstock. So yeah, so for people who shuffle both ways, yeah, yeah, it's a good cardstock. It comes back to the normal shape. See, nothing changed. Yeah, fine, perfect. You can shuffle both ways actually. It's just perfect. So let's see, let's just take out one card. See how smoothly they shuffle. Oh, I'll take the first one that came out. So that's the world, guys. It's releasing the old, welcoming the new, and dynamics are changing, right? I could have read from the book. Actually, I wanted at the end I actually read from the book, but then again, as you know, the book I showed you is in Spanish, Italian, whatever language it is, I don't know. But then yeah, of course, I love the back, I love the card. It, for some people it may be busy, too much artwork, but for me it was fine. Right, all right, thank you so much guys for tuning in to my channel. Do like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll be coming up with more flip throughs. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye bye.